Hello everyone, welcome back to Plug In with ABM. If you own the 2025-2026 Tesla Model Y, you will know that the panoramic glass roof is one of the vehicle's standout features. It makes the cabin feel spacious, modern, and airy. However, during hot weather days, that same panoramic roof can allow a significant amount of heat into the cabin, especially if your car is parked outside doors. In today's video, I will show you the Ice Crystal Sunshade that I've recently installed in my own Tesla Model Y, explain how it works, demonstrate its features, and share my honest first impression. Why install a roof sunshade? Tesla designed the panoramic roof with excellent UV protection, but no glass roof can completely stop heat from entering the cabin. When sunlight passes through the glass, the interior temperature gradually increases. This means that the cabin becomes hotter, the air condition has to work harder, the seat and steering wheel become warmer. Passengers may experience more glare from above. A roof sunshade adds another layer of insulation between the sun and the cabin. The idea isn't to replace Tesla factory glass, but to reduce heat transfer and make the cabin more comfortable. What comes in the box? This particular kit is designed specifically for 2025-2026 Tesla Model Y, and it includes a front panoramic roof shade, a rear shade, an installation clips, a storage bag for when the shades are not in use. The material are two functional layers. One side uses a heat insulation fabric. The opposite side has a relative silver coating designed to reflect solar heat back towards the glass. Everything folds down into a compact size, making it easy to store in boots when you don't need them or you don't use it rather. Installation. Installation is actually very straightforward. There are no tools required. The shade simply fit into the panoramic roof opening using the supply clips. Because they are designed specifically for the new Model Y, the fit is neat and follows the roof contours very well. Once installed, the shade sits securely and doesn't require any permanent modification to the vehicle. If you want more natural light during winter, you can simply remove it in a few minutes. My first impression after installing it, the first thing I noticed was the reduction in direct sunlight entering the cabin. The interior immediately felt more shaded. When the vehicle has been parked in direct sunshine, the cabin also feels more comfortable with opening the door. I noticed reduced glare for passengers, a darker, more premium cabin appearances, better comfort for rear seat passenger. I haven't scientifically measured the temperature differences, so I won't claim exact figure. However, from everyday use, it definitely improved cabin comfort during sunny weather. The air conditioning also appeared to reach a comfortable temperature more quickly because there are less heat entering from above. Pro and cons. Pro, easy installation, Good factory style fit, fold away for storage, helps reduce glare, makes cabin feel cooler, ideal during summer. Like every accessory, there are few trade-off. You will lose some of the panoramic glass roof view while it's installed. The cabin also becomes slightly darker. If you love looking through the glass roof all year round, you may prefer removing it during colder months. Overall, I'm pleased with these accessories. It's inexpensive compared to many Tesla upgrades, simple to install, and make a noticeable difference to cabin comfort during warm weather. If you regularly park outside or take long summer journey, I think it's an accessory worth considering. All right, finally, if you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more Tesla accessory, EV reviews, tips, and real world ownership experience, don't forget to subscribe to Plug In with ABM. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.